Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to compare the benchmark test comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus Realme X2 Pro device. Realme X2 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, versus the Realme GT Master Edition, which has got the Snapdragon 778G processor. Let's see friends how much difference we can actually expect between these both phones regarding the benchmark wise. So first let me need to clear all the apps from the background. So all the apps are completely clear from the background, as you can clearly see friends. And during this time of testing, I'll try to check the temperatures as well, how much temperatures of both phone can actually increase. So that's what we'll try to concentrate again. And right now both phones percentage is kind of really slightly heavy as well. I mean high, 80% and 84%, not bad regarding the battery percentage levels. And let me try to start the test at this moment. Right now the test has been officially started, and you can see same benchmark version which I'm trying to use between these both phones, and you can check out the temperatures readings, 31 degrees Celsius and 33 degrees Celsius. And I can be back after some time just to check the temperatures, what's going on between these two phones, which increases what kind of higher temperatures. We'll try to note down. I can be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, the benchmark percentage is about 52%, and let's check the temperatures: 36 degrees, 35 degrees and 36.4 degrees Celsius. You can see how both phones are actually maintaining slightly kind of very close regarding the temperatures wise. Snapdragon 855 Plus and the Snapdragon 778G. And we'll be able to differentiate what's happening with the CPU and the GPU scores, how much it's kind of different it can be there between these both phones. So again, I'll be back after some time just to check with the temperatures, what's happening. So now we got to know temperatures are pretty kind of very similar between these both phones. So as you can see, very similar between these two devices. Again, I'll be back after some time. So right now let's check the temperatures friends, 36.4, and it's getting to the end of the test results as well. So this is the last stage of benchmark test, and now we'll be able to see exactly the results, what's going to happen between these both phones regarding the overall benchmark wise. Right now as you can see, the Realme GT Master Edition. So I think yes, finally we got the results in the Realme GT Master Edition, which scored about 5,36,000. So which is quite normal for the Realme GT Master Edition. Every time same kind of results, and which scored about 5,75,000 in the Realme X2 Pro. So which has got the CPU performance 152 and 163. In the CPU is slightly higher in the Realme GT Master Edition, and GPU is very much higher in this device in the Realme X2 Pro. Adreno 640 versus 642. You can see there's a huge difference, 50,000 difference is there with the GPU segment. And with the CPU, there's a difference of kind of close to 11,000, which is higher in the Realme GT Master Edition. Battery drained by 6%, battery drained by 3%, temperature increased by 2.6 degrees Celsius and 4 degrees Celsius in the temperatures. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and this is a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the overall benchmark test results. And meanwhile, signing off friends, until then stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.